When life gives you mountains, put on your boots and hike. Ay, so maka 600 steps na talaga tayo, guys. What's up guys? Niyata direct naman sa Mount Karilongan. Doon ay 1,083 steps. Kauban ng mga Mutya ng Dabaw. So, tuwagin niya siyang nakatkat ni Dapita kay tungod. Direct mag tree planting. Kauban ng Love Radio, the government, and Egypt. EGIP. EGIP. Okay, so muna sila ang mga Mutya ng Dabaw candidates.
Mabuhay og madayaw, ayaw Tulongan ng Batinasos Corporal candidate number 3 brothers. And as for my experience, it was definitely so overwhelming to finally reach the summit. And of course, the trail was a bit hard, but at the same time, it felt it really made us feel so blessed because at the same time, we are given the opportunity to appreciate the beauty of the nature. And with that, I am so grateful to the community that we have here. And that's it. Boy, Madayaw, I am candidate number 25, there you call them So my experience in Mount Karilongan is although hapon siya, but relatively split yun siya. So it's a must. If you wanna travel Davao, you must come to Mount Karilongan.
Buhay ang Madayaw, I am Karilongan, candidate number 20 of Tulong Davao 2024. And welcome to Mount Karilongan. So far, ang akong experience, guys, fulfilling after how many months I have been able to hike again. And very satisfying yun ang view pag-abot sa taas. Also, ang experience ko during the hike, dagan ko kag makita ang scenery from trees up to our river.
Mayong bunta, Dabayan sa Dabaw. Again, I am your Mutya number 1, Happy Marisol Bison. So, my experience here in Mount Karilongan. By the way, welcome to Mount Karilongan. So, grabe, highlight ko nga very sweaty din siya na experience. But really worth it, really fulfilling. Labi na pag-abot rin ka sa top, kaya nagkita din mo ang view kung saan kanindot o kagwapo dyan ang atuang Dabayan sa Davao. So this tourist spot, di ba, newly discovered tourist spot. So dito sa mga wala pa kabalo, adto na mo dari. Tagang salamat!
Hi, Madayaw Davao. I am Chrisabel Orovilla, your Mutya 13. It was tiring, but it was so worth it. As you can see, the view here and the people here, it's so rewarding. And it's my first time, and it's a really great experience. Thank you.
Hi, mabuhay ang Madayaw. This is Abigail Bailey, your Mutya number 11. It's really nice having this as my first time hiking, and it's really fulfilling as well. So I'm inviting everyone to also do the same and appreciate our nature.
Mabuhay ug Madayaw. Ako dahil si Dayan Iris Acto, Mutya number 18. The experience is very challenging. However, when you arrive here, the people are very very welcoming and it's fun.
Hi, my name is Fritz definitely Anes and I'm candidate number 16. It's actually my first experience here in Mount Karilongan and it is very fulfilling because they, especially the organization, the EAGIP, made me realize the importance of farmers and the environment in general and how we must protect it. Yeah.
Mabuhay ug madayaw. I am Justine Joyo, your Mutya number 7. So my experience was first hiking my whole life. But at first very challenging. I thought dili ako siya makaya but karon nga na ako sa taas, it's very fulfilling and grabe ka din dun sa view. So everything was worth it. Hi, I'm Christine Jordan Salvador, candidate number 8 for Mutya Davao 2024. It was really fun and very exhausting. It's my first time, but I'm very happy to have experienced this. And I'm very grateful to our organization for bringing us closer to me.
Mabuhay Madayaw.
I am Riza Cristel Salas del Rosario, your candidate number 17. And upon planting trees, it really connects me to nature, and I love the adventure, the activity that we actually did today, enjoying the view with my Mutya candidates, and I pray and I wish that everyone will also continue to love nature and let's protect our Mother Earth. Salamat!
Yung hapon, kaninyong tandaan, I am Siti Aisha Haji Sadi, your candidate. Actually, it's my first time planting a tree, so it's very fulfilling and happy at the same time. Can contribute ko sa ato ang environment. So I hope na apay next time.
Mabuhay po Dayaw. I am Mia Bernil de la Serna, your Mutya 21. Actually, this is my second time planting a tree in this mountain kasi last year I've joined also. It's good to be back kasi like it was a fun experience and I really love going hiking and then do planting.
So niyami guys, din ang tanom. So kauban ng mga Mutya ng Davao 2024. Alright. And tanom yung mga kasi-klaseng mga tanom, kahoy. Okay, first time experience nga mag-tree planting. Especially diri dapita sa Mount Karilongan.
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Love Radio Basic!